Hello everybody! I want to talk about something that I'm really excited about for the new school year, and that is this beautiful little free library. If you look down here, it's got its official charter from the Little Free Libraries organization. It's got these beautiful books just inside, and check this out. This is a seed library. Give you some wonderful opportunities to grow some plants of your own. Elsewhere on campus, we do have another library cabinet that's more for young adults, whereas this is intended for younger readers. And so it's got some picture books right now, it's got some chapter books, and hopefully between the books I've set aside and the books that volunteers are able to provide, we'll keep it readily stocked, because we have some very avid readers on campus and they love books. So this is just a very visible example, a wonderful example of all that our parent volunteers do for our community. And I am just looking forward to a wonderful new school year filled with appreciation and gratitude for everything that our community does. Thank you.